How to fix sound problem in Windows 7. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Control Panel. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Device Manager in Control Panel. Simply click on Yes, and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Scroll all the way down in here till you find Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. Expand it, click on the sound system, and click on Update. Click on Search automatically for drivers. Search for updated drivers, or if you don't find any, simply click on it and uninstall device. After clicking on that, your problem will be fixed. That's how you fix sound problem in Windows 7. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.